Brotherhood, compassion for each other and unity, it is due to qualities like these that India stands united and unbreakable even in the most difficult of times. A similar example of brotherhood was seen in Udhampur district of Jammu and Kashmir, where people of different castes and communities gathered for the Tawi Darshan fair. Take a look.
Bounded by the thread of compassion, tolerance, brotherhood and the feeling of oneness, Dudu village in Udhampur district of Jammu and Kashmir displayed the true signs of communal harmony as the people, irrespective of their caste and religion, gathered on the banks of Tavi river for Tavi Darshan fair. Organized by the Directorate of Tourism Jammu, the fair began with the grand ceremony of Tavi river that is hailed as the heavenly daughter of the sun god. Though the fair included only the Hindu rituals, people from all communities eagerly participated in it, setting a beautiful example of peace and brotherhood.
अभी जो कार्यक्रम हमारा था वो तवी दर्शन का तवी नदी के लिए था। पानी का कोई धर्म नहीं होता है, वो सब तवी नदी सूर्यपुत्री वो सभी का प्यास बुझाएगी। तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी संस्कृति है यहाँ की कि सारे लोग मिलजुल के रहते हैं और यहाँ के लोगों का प्रयास है और हमारा भी प्रयास है ये ऐसी चीज़ें आगे होती रहें और संस्कृति क्या समग्र होती है, सारे लोग एक दूसरे से जुड़े होते हैं। तो ये कार्यक्रम ऐसे ही आगे चलता रहे और ये संदेश देश में प्रदेश में फैले कि सारे लोग एक साथ एक जैसे एक होकर रह सकते हैं।
Apart from religious ceremonies, various cultural events were also organized at this fair, which is rejoiced by people of all faiths. Applauding this step of tourism department, people, regardless of their religion, attended the event and said that this move will boost the tourism in the region following the development of the village.
यहाँ में हिंदू, मुसलमान, सिख सब यकसां रहते हैं। इधर हर एक आदमी की अपनी बरादरी है, हर एक आदमी अपनी बरादरी के साथ रहता है। हमारा आना जाना यहाँ हिंदू का घर में, हिंदू का मुसलमान घर में, ये इकट्ठे चलते हैं।
The Tavi river, which finds a conspicuous and reverent mention in the Indian ancient scriptures, is a symbol of humanity and peaceful coexistence of people in Jammu and Kashmir. Such steps taken by the government will not only reinforce people's belief in the secular fabric of the country, but will also help in preserve the natural beauty and cleanliness of the river.